Here's a pair of the TAGRY X08 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So the first thing we want to do is put this into pairing mode. So let's go ahead and take the buds out. And as soon as you take the buds out, if you're not currently connected and paired to a different device, one of these should be blinking blue, red, which would indicate it's in pairing mode. I'm not getting no blue, red, or any lights on these. And the reason is because I'm actually connected to a different device. So for me to put this in pairing mode, I need to go ahead and turn off Bluetooth or disconnect from this iPhone here that I'm currently connected to. So let me just go to settings here. I'm going to go to Bluetooth. And then you can see, yeah, I am connected. X08 is connected there, okay? So from here, I can go ahead and turn off Bluetooth, or I can just disconnect or forget this device. If I do any of those three, these should automatically go into pairing mode. So let's try it. I'm gonna turn off Bluetooth. Ready? Off. Now look at the earbuds. Now you see one of them blinking blue, red. So now it's in pairing mode. Now let's hurry up and jump on our Android phone here before it stops. We're gonna go to settings. We're going to go to connections. We're going to go to your Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Tap on Bluetooth. And that spinny thing there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. And it should show up down here under available devices. Okay, it's still in pairing mode. I did find it. The X08s are right there. So it found it. Let's tap there. We should get a pairing request with Android phones. Tap on pair. Give it 1 second. And now you can see we're connected and ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues where you couldn't put it into pairing mode, you had connecting problems, or so on, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for the link.